Hi my dear students, now we are going to complete practice set number 3.4, last practice set of this chapter. So sum number 1, on 1st Jan 2016, Sanika decided to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day and 12 on third day. If she decided to save this like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? Now, from Jan 1st to 31st of December 2016. So, 2016 it is an leap year. So, number of days from 1st Jan to 31st December will be 366 because one day has been added, that is of Feb, 29 days. So saving of Sanika per day beginning with the first day are 10, 11, 12 and so on for 366 days. So A equals 10. So the first term always is what? A. And difference means what? 11 T2 minus T1 or else T3 minus T2. Okay, if the common difference is same, so D equals 1 means common difference. So total number of days in 2016 N is 366. Total saving for the year as sum 366. You have to find this value. So substitute the formula over here, apply. N upon 2 equals 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S 366 equals 366 upon 2, 2 into A is what? 10. So 2 into 10 plus 366 minus 1 into D is what? 1. So 183 equals 20 plus 365. So 183 into 385 will give you 70,455. So Sanika saves rupees 70,455 in the year 2016. Sum number 2, a man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of 1,360 in 12 monthly installments. Each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. So each installment is less than preceding investment by rupees 40. So in each month 40 rupees is been less. Okay, so therefore the installments are in AP. Total installments are 12. Total money repaid in 12 installment as 12, that is 8,000 plus with the interest of 1360 will give you 9360. So difference between two consecutive installment, that is D, it is minus 40, means it is less than. So first installment is A and last it is T12. So Sn equals N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S12 equals 12 upon 2, 2A plus 12 minus 1 into minus 40 D. So S12 is 9360, 6 into 2A plus 11 into minus 40. So 9360 divided by 6. So 2A minus 440. So 1560 equals 2A minus 440. So numbers on the one side. So 2A equals 2000. So A equals 2000 upon 2. So the value of A is 1000. So Tn equals A plus N minus 1 into D. So T12 is 1000 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 40. So 1000 plus 11 into minus 40. So 1000 minus 440. So T12 equals 560. So the first installment is 1000 and last is 560. Sum number 4. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 in the second row, 24 in the third row, and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. So total seats in the auditorium sum. Okay. So the number of seats in each row are 20, 24, 22 and 24 and so on. So A is 20, common difference is 2, means 22 minus 20 will give you 2, or else 24 minus 22 will give you 2. Total number of seats, that is n, equals 27. Number of seats in 15th row, T15 we have to find, and total number of seats in 27th row means S27 we have to find that. So total number of seats, okay, T15, Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So T15 equals 20 plus 15 minus 1 D2. So 20 plus 14 into 2 will give you 48. So T15 equals 48. Sn equals n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 27 upon 2 equals 2 into 20 plus 27 minus 1 into 2. 27 upon 2 equals 40 plus 52. So 40 plus 52 will give you 92. So 27 upon 2 into 92. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 threes are. 27 into 43 will give you 1242. So the total number of seats is 1242, and in 15th row 48 seats are there. Sum number 5. Kargil temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If temperature on Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, find the temperature on the 5th day. So, let the temperature of Kargil from Monday to Saturday in degrees Celsius, which forms an AP, is A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D respectively. So Monday equals A minus D, Tuesday A, Wednesday A plus D, Thursday A plus 2D, Friday A plus 3D, Saturday A plus 4D. So according to the first conditions, they have told us that all readings are in AP and the sum of Tuesday and Saturday was 5 more. So A minus D, then Monday and Tuesday. A minus D plus A plus 4D equals A plus A plus 4D plus 5. So open the bracket. So 2A plus 3D equals 2A plus 4D equals 5. So this 2A and this 2A get cancelled. So 3D, 4D minus 3D equals minus 5. So D equals minus 5. So the temperature on Wednesday was minus 30. So Wednesday A plus D. So A plus D equals minus 30. So A equals minus 5 minus 30. So A equals minus 25. Now Monday A minus D. So we know the value of A and D. Minus 25 into minus 5. So minus 20. Tuesday it is A, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday. So we will substitute this A minus D and we will get the answers. So the temperature from Monday to Sunday are as follows. So with that, practice set number 3.4 has been done and chapter number 3 has been completed. Thank you.